What's good, YouTube? YouTube. What's up, everybody? How everybody been, man? Yeah, I know. I quit YouTube. I decided to give up, you know? I mean, it sounds discouraging and all that, but to me, it just wasn't working out the way that I wanted to work out. So I said to myself, find something else and do, or continue doing YouTube. And then I said, you know what? I'm just going to find something else and do, because YouTube is just not working out. But how's everybody doing? You know, I just stopped by to say hello and everything like that. And I hope everybody's in good spirits. And, you know, I know the pandemic been rough. I haven't checked in since the pandemic, you know. A lot been going on. So it was just for me to choose what is more important to me at that time. Not that this YouTube thing is not, hear me, this YouTube thing. Not that YouTube is not important to me. I love making videos and stuff like that. But, I mean, you know, sometimes you just have to sit down to yourself and say, you know what? I need to get certain things done. And right now, this is more important. You know? Some of us quit. I quit. Well, I ain't really quit. I'm back. I'm back now. I decided to myself, you know what? Paul, you need to get back out there and start doing what you like to do, you know? It's not about the views, the likes, the comments, and none of that stuff, or the popularity or nothing like that. It's just about what you love to do. You know what I'm saying? And eventually, guess what? Your work will pay off. That's it. Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters. As long as you love doing what you do, that's all that matters. So yeah, I'm back. I decided to myself that, you know what? I deleted all of the videos from my YouTube channel. If you go back and check, you will not see any videos on my channel. But yeah, like I'm saying, I might re-upload some of the stuff that I had, but you know, the nice good quality ones, because what happened is that I was having some trouble with YouTube and whatever, where they were saying that some of my videos, whatever. But anyway, like I said, I deleted it, so I'm gonna just start putting out some new content and try to keep up. It's gonna be rough and hard because, you know, I got a lot of stuff going on, and I hope you guys were keeping safe during the pandemic, man. Yo, I lost 3 family members, and yo, it was rough. You know, I had a rough time. Like, I felt really hurt, and well, I was very hurt. I was very like depressed about, you know, losing them, and I just couldn't believe what was going on. You know what I'm saying? And then sometimes it's like I was an essential worker, so I had to go to work and everything, and it was just depressing seeing these people that's sick. You know, it's like you fear for your life also, but you have to go to work because you have to put on the Superman or Superwoman cape and say to yourself, you know what? Let me just go, because at the end of the day, I got to do what I need to do. And you still have your bills to pay, you know? So you just have to. But it was very depressing, and now it looks like we're coming to the end of it. And I just hope that everyone is willing to abide by the rules until we get to the end of it. Because listen, man, COVID is not a joke. People saying it's a hoax and everything like that. It's not a joke. It's serious. I've seen people that catch it, and the way they were doing is just like, damn, man, really? Like, you know? So you just got to be careful. Follow the rules, follow the guidelines, wear your mask, social distance, whatever, you know. That's it. You can say you don't believe it or something else is going on, but just follow the rules and stay safe. Just stay safe. So, I mean, I feel good to be back, you know. This is going to be the first video on my channel with many more to come. And this channel, I'm not going to keep it into just, I'm going to put up comedy, short films. I'm going to do a variety of things on this channel. So, I mean, if you're going to stick around on the channel, just stick around on the channel. It's going to be whatever. I'm going to put up Jamaican mother videos. I'm going to do short films. I'm going to do challenges. I'm going to do everything. Because you know what? I can't be bothered with the 2-channel stuff. Well, I do have another channel, but that's my fishing channel. That's about the only other channel I'm going to keep, because I love fishing and I go fishing and stuff like that. Every summertime I go fishing. So you guys can look out for the fishing videos. I'm probably going to post like a little pilot on here of the fishing videos. And then after that, I put the link below where you can go. Yeah, guys, so I'm back at my crib. My phone keep cutting off, but I'm back home right now. I'm not going to keep you guys too much longer, but like I'm saying, I'm going to post, when I post a fishing video on my next channel, I'll post a pilot here on this channel, and below in the comment section or in the description, you'll be able to see the link to the fishing video for those of you who like fishing videos, okay? Yeah, I'm back, so just stay tuned. You know, it's going to be fun. It's going to be hella fun. You know what I'm saying? Making videos again and putting out content, because I really missed it, but we're going to do it, man. We're going to do it. And like I said, I ain't going to keep you guys right now. So I might upload this and something else again a little bit later. All right? Yeah. So I'm going to upload this. I'm going to edit this, upload this right now. And hey, I want to see how many of you guys actually are on the channel that's active and has the post notification turned on. So press the like button and leave a comment below in the comment section. It only takes a second. And this is the end of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Because, and yo, you know what? To everybody that reached out to me, whether it was through Instagram or I seen some of the comments here in the comment section. I'm sorry I couldn't really get the chance to respond. I wasn't trying to be rude or nothing like that, but I had some comments coming through on my phone like, hey man, I haven't seen you posted in a minute. Is everything good? I'm doing fine, and I really do appreciate you guys taking the time out to check on me to see if I was okay. I'm good, you know? So I apologize for not responding on time. But like I said, sorry, that's my son. Shh, stop the noise, man. But like I said, I'm back now, and we're gonna get it back to where we start. I'm back now, and we're gonna do I'm back now, and I'm gonna start recording and putting out content once again. All right, so don't forget, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, it's the first time you're watching this, turn on hit the subscribe button and turn post notification on. And remember, if you're active on the channel, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Word. I'm going to reply back to everybody today. All right, man. Y'all be blessed, and I'm gone.